So we're going to use these new lashes from Glamify. These are a new Selfie lash. I'm just going to apply these lashes to finish the look. These lashes are nice and fluffy. So when taking them out of the box, you want to peel them away from either corner first so that you protect the lash. Get them out of the box. And then you're going to want to measure up. If you just place the lash where the lashes naturally grow, and you can then see how much you need to take away. So in this instance, I'll take away this last bit. Once they're trimmed up, I'll just check again that that's the right size for the lid. Be open for me. Perfect. And then we're going to apply glue to the band of these lashes. I'm just going to apply a thin layer right across the band. And then I'll leave these to go tacky for a second before applying them.
How about living with my bitches, #live. I only got 10 likes in the last 5 minutes. Do you think I should take it down? Let me take another selfie.
Once the lashes are nice and tacky, we're going to apply. If you're doing it on yourself, you want your mirror a little lower. If you're putting them on someone else, you're just going to place over the top. But you're going to place it between this little rim between the lid and the eyelash. And you're going to aim to get it nice and tight there and just pop it on from either corner first. And then smudge it in. Then if you open and look straight ahead, you can check where it's sat. Make sure you're happy with that. Does that feel okay?
That's great.
And again, same with your other lash. You're going to aim for the little rim between the lashes and the lid. And I always start with this corner first where the natural lashes grow. And then right across to the other end. Make sure they're sitting nice. Then if you open and look straight ahead, you can see where they need squeezing together. If you let them settle for a second, we'll then go back in with mascara and close the gap between the false lashes and the natural lashes. So when the lashes have settled a little, you want to close off the gap between the natural and the false. So I'm just going to go back in with mascara, look down, and push them both together. I'm going to keep my thumb behind the lashes so no mascara can go onto my eyeshadow work. And I'm just going to push the natural lashes into the falses so that the gap was closed. Straight ahead. And you can see this closes the gap when you put mascara on, so then we'll do this eye.
Let me